I'm going to show you exactly how to add a phone number field to a Calendly invitee form. Start on the Calendly dashboard with your event types pulled up, find the event you want to change, hover over its tile, and click the gear icon in the corner of that tile. From the small menu, choose Edit. If your account still uses the older layout, that same option sits under the three-dot menu on the tile. The event editor loads with the left sidebar. In the sidebar, click Invitee Questions. If you're on an older version and see More Options instead, click More Options and then Invitee Form. The page scrolls down to the booking form fields. At the top, name and email are locked system fields. Do not try to turn email into your phone number. Below those, click Add New Question. A blank row opens with a label box and a drop-down that defaults to single-line text. Click in the label box and type mobile number. I use mobile number instead of phone number because the answer type already identifies it as a phone field, so the label tells them what kind of number to enter. Now open the answer type drop-down and select phone number. It's lower in the list, below the text and multiple choice choices. When you select it, the row changes to a phone input format, so invitees see a phone field instead of a plain text box. Next, check the required box under the label. This is the one most people skip. If it's not required, Calendly lets people book with no phone number, which defeats the point of adding it. I keep it required for sales calls and onboarding sessions. If you only want it optional, leave it off, but I'm checking it here. Now go to the top right and click Save and Close. The editor closes and a small confirmation appears near the top of the event list. Now let's make sure it actually shows on the booking page. On the same event tile, click View Booking Page. The booking page opens in a new tab. Scroll down to the invitee questions and check for mobile number with a required asterisk next to it. That confirms the field is live and mandatory. One thing I do right now, if you have a second event type that needs this, click that tile next and repeat the same Add New Question steps, because invitee questions work per event type, not across your whole account. And if you later decide you don't want to require it, reopen the event, click Invitee Questions, click the mobile number question, and untick Required. You won't need to recreate the field. If that got your booking form set up, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same fix.